Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the latest newsletter. Thanks for being here today. We're going to talk a little bit about your Facebook page for your business, and it's super important that you have that set up and you have it done. You have it done correctly. When people are trying to find a product that you might offer or look into, your business and check your credibility, they're going to do two things. They're going to go on Google and they're going to see if you have a website and if you have a Facebook page. Because say you don't have the budget to get a website yet, and once you're there, let us know. Love to talk to you about it. But if you're not there yet, you should at least have a Facebook page for your business. So if people see that you don't have a website, but then they also see that you don't have an appropriate, business Facebook page, most likely they're not going to buy from you. So we want to make sure that you're succeeding in every way. And so today I'm actually going to do a step-by-step video on how to create a business Facebook page. They've made it very easy now for people to be able to do that. So we're just going to do a little video and take you through that process and show you some of the beginning steps of that. So let's check it out. Bye. Hey guys, all right, so let me do this real quick. So if you're logged into your personal Facebook page, which you will need to have a personal Facebook account in order to create the business page, right? So you'll be logged in, and this is kind of just your standard home screen layout that you see when you're on your computer. If you go over here, you'll see this Explore section, your events and all that stuff will be here. You're going to click Pages. This is going to show a bunch of pages that you interact with or that you like or follow or anything like that. So you're going to go up here to the top right, create pages. Click that guy. It's going to give you two options. You're either going to have a community or public figure. This is good if you're a candidate for something, anything like that. Or if you have like a personal brand. And then you have business or brand. We're going to go business or brand. And today I made a pretend company. It was a client from many, many, many years ago, a logo that we had done. And so I used one of the logos that we did not select and just kind of put together some branding for it. So did that off screen. So get started. Name your page. So typically you're going to try to get as close to your actual company name as possible. So we're going to call this, let's see if it'll let us, L. Let's see if it'll let us do that. And then we're going to select commercial industrial equipment. So this company that we're going to use for now is they do lighting, commercial lighting. So, and let's do, we'll just do some pretend address. Fredericksburg. That's where my home office is. I'm going to use my business cell phone. This is a nice feature. So if you have a home-based office, home-based business, you don't want customers showing up, you can click this. It'll only say that you're in Fredericksburg, Virginia. It won't list your actual residence address if that's the way you need to go. So we're going to continue. Let's see if it'll let us do it. Awesome. So yeah, Light Media Tech was not taken. So we're going to upload the profile. I've got them pre-made. Sorry, the mouse went away. So we're going to upload a cover photo. And again, got that pre-made. Do that. So check it out. Here's the page. So you set up your page for success, invite your friends. So it's got some nice little prompts. So you can go, I'm not going to do this because this is a fake account. we're just kind of using a dummy account. I don't want to bug my friends about it, but so you've got these options. You can invite friends, you can search for who it is, so they got like little milestones, that they want you to do, which is cool. So this is it. This is basically, where you're at. So the first thing you're going to want to do is if you go to settings, here's all the different settings that you should take time to go through, read them, understand them, adjust them as necessary. You can do profanity filter, page moderations, so you can actually block people from using specific, hateful language and things like that, which is nice. Messaging is really cool. So they have a new feature in here where you can have an autoresponder. So if somebody does a direct message to your business page, you can have an auto response. So, you don't just ignore them, like if you're in a meeting or something, which is a really great feature. Edit page. Let's see here. You can change the template, which is nice. So we're going to just go ahead and do business. Apply template. Okay. And that just basically changes the way the layout of the page is. But yeah, so you can go through all this stuff. If you have an Instagram account for the business, you can link it, which is cool. There's a lot of really great stuff in here, and we'll probably do some videos later on that'll go through it in more depth. But insights, I want to say, we obviously don't have anything yet to post, but this is, okay. This is a really great way to just gauge, as you're doing things, you can see like what's getting interactions, what's the reach, and you can do, some A and B testing. A and B testing means you do the same thing, just kind of two different names, so that you can test like, okay, this one had this specific name and it worked really well. This one had a different name and photo and worked this way. And so this is a good way to keep track of stuff like that, which again, we can cover at a later time. But right now we're just doing the basics. So this is it. I mean, there's not a whole lot. What I'll do is we're going to do a quick post. So sample. It's just like your personal page. You can have all these different options. You can do a poll, which is really cool, and you're going to hit publish, right? And then if you want to do, say, it's a Thursday night, you're sitting down, with your partner and watching a movie or whatever it is, and you want to just, hey, I'm going to knock out like a bunch of stuff for next week. So we'll say a bunch of stuff for next week. And say you want this to go out first thing in the morning. Schedule. Here's the date. I'm going to pick tomorrow morning, 11:03 a.m. Why don't we change that to 9 a.m. Schedule. And if you look down here, scheduled post. Scheduled for tomorrow at 9:03, and you can actually go in here. And here's another thing: you can adjust your schedules. You could actually create new posts to schedule. So there's a lot of great tools. So that's it, guys. That's the basics of it. Shoot me an email once you get this set up. If you guys want some help actually managing and creating posts and all that good stuff, we do offer that as a service. Megan is excellent at it, and we'd love to help you out. So everyone have a good day, and enjoy running your new Facebook page. All right, bye.